We're in Atherstone for the start of the second stage of the Aviva Women's Tour. History being made on this second leg, for it's the longest in the race's history, 140 kilometres. The weather is very, very damp indeed, and they're expecting heavy showers. Well, the dynamic of today's challenge could be a serious race of selection for the overall positions. Well, the rain has certainly not deterred the enthusiasm of the spectators. They've come out here in their thousands. Look at this now, the pressure really beginning to unfold. It's a downhill sprint here in Kenilworth. On the left is Voss. Voss beginning to wind it up here. And Lepisto in the middle has got the line in her sights. And right behind Lepisto is the yellow jersey there of Majerus. Well, I'm not going to call the positions then, it was too tight. Lepisto definitely first. We'll need to see another shot of that. Talk us through this then, Sarah.
Yes, you can see Marianne Voss on the right in her Chain Reactions points jersey, and Ebba Johansson there on the left. But it's Christy Majerus versus Marianne Voss for that.
Well, we'll wait for it. There it is. So Lepisto got the 3, but importantly, Majerus has increased her lead over Voss by 1 second overall. They are now on the foot slopes of the first of the Strava Queen of the Mountains. This is Burton Dasset at 72 kilometres. It's a long climb, 2.9 kilometres, quite testing, and I expect the field to be stretched here to the limit. Yep, and the yellow jersey is also right in the mix here. That's Christine Majerus, the flying Luxembourger. So she's having a good day as well. What a fantastic climb this is. This is sensational racing country as the competitors stretch out here, and we've got a lone attack developing at the front.
Yes, that's a Rabo Liv rider. It's likely to be someone like Anna van der Breggen, one of the best climbers of the peloton, and this is good for her, but she usually likes a stronger climb.
Well, here is the burst then for the line. It's going to be tight, but right over the line first is Katie Hall, and that's a good ride for Hall. She's picked up 6 points there to add to her overnight tally, and that means it's stretched out to 10, and she's only 2 behind the leader now. There is confirmation. Hall gets the 6, and the rest of the positions you can see, but the important point there is the fact that Hall has closed down on the leader and is now putting her under pressure because she's not in that leading group. Well, we just got a glimpse of Lizzie Armitstead on the right, and she's trying to lead out her teammate, Majerus, and also in the mix there is Voss. This is very important, this sprint now, and they're going flat out for the line. Oh, look at that. That was Voss that crossed the line first. Remember, she's in the Chain Reaction Cycles points jersey, and we'll wait to see a repeat of that or the caption to confirm, but she was just ahead of Majerus for my call, and let's have a look. Yes, so it means now Voss has clawed back another second on Majerus, so it's just 1 second, status quo exactly as when they set off in Atherstone. Look at the roads here, the flash floods have left puddles. Oh, I said puddles, my goodness me, that's almost like a swimming pool. Well, these two can take their time through it, but what are the bunch going to make of it? That could be quite dangerous. That's not exactly the start you want, is it, on the approach to the final climb of the day? I say final, it's a final categorised climb, but there's still going to be 1 or 2 ups and downs that are going to sort the riders out. Well, the two are actually on the climb. Here comes the peloton. Let's see what they're going to make of this. Oh, certain amount of caution creeping into that, and the water depth there well over the rims. So Rabo Liv on the front, just happy then to keep the rhythm nice and high, and they're looking after Marianne Voss as the summit is right on our shot now, and just leading this one out. It looks very much like Jadzinska. Jadzinska is going to take it. Yeah, Jadzinska is going to go over the line to get 6 points, and in second place it is De Derrickson. But of course it's who is going to get the points behind these two that we want to see and monitor, ready for the Queen of the Mountains.
Yes, that's Anna van der Breggen on the front for Rabo Liv, and they've also got 2 or 3 riders in that front group. They've done very well here. But look at Katie Hall accelerate. Wow, I can't believe she's still got that in her.
Yeah, she's going strongly, isn't she? She's ridden that climb with a great deal of intelligence, and she has timed her effort to perfection. Katie Hall comes over the line in 3rd place and picks up 4 points. And my quick mathematics tells me now her tally will be 14, so she will have usurped the overnight leader, Hoeksma, and behind Hall you can see it's Koppenberg, Longa Borghini and Lizzie Armitstead.
it looks like Lizzie Armitstead is leading out Christine Majerus. This is fantastic. Are Bold unstoppable in this race?
Amy Peters is also in there as well, and she's a very good classics rider. Coming up now to the closing stages, and it's Brenner that's right in the mix and gritting her teeth and looking for the victory. But there's a challenge coming on the right, and who is this going to be that's going to take it on the line? Looks like Amy Peters may have got it. Oh, it was almost a blanket finish. The arm was raised by Amy Peters, and we'll wait for that to be confirmed. But Brenner was there as well, and Voss was in the top three.
Yeah, that's Brenner on the front on the right-hand side leading her out. But look at Peters' acceleration as they get to the line. And Voss, she's trying to get there, but she just can't make it.
Let's take a look at the head-on the right of our screen. Peters snatches the stage. Voss in the middle finishes third, and the bonus of 4 seconds gives her the yellow jersey. Dutch classic specialist Amy Peters wins stage 2. Second, Lisa Brenner, and third, Marianne Vos. And Peters looking very, very happy with her result today. Katie Hall becomes the new leader in the Strava Queen of the Mountains competition. And the chain reaction points jerseys on the shoulders of Marianne Vos. And she's back in her usual spot as well, as she's now the holder of the Aviva yellow jersey. Marianne Vos is the new leader after 2 days. She has a 3-second advantage over Christine Majerus, and in third spot is Amy Peters at 7 seconds. Lizzie Armitstead is the leading British competitor, 8th place at 16 seconds.